Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and for me the hotspot is on the second page right here. Your position of this toggle might actually vary just by a little bit depending on how many icons the system has added. But from here, what you want to first do is hold it so you can actually change the password or just gain the knowledge of what the password is. So you will see it right here, personal hotspot settings, tap on it. Here's the name. This is basically how your Wi-Fi will look like in the Wi-Fi list. OPPO Reno 3 Pro, that's basically the name of the Wi-Fi then. You can change it to whatever you want. Then you have the password, which again you can either copy this one and give it to someone, or you can tap on it and change it to something that might be easier to remember. Now you can set it up whatever you want as long as it has 8 characters in length or more. And from there you also have the AP band, so you can tap on it. I would suggest to put it on 5, but if your phone that, for instance, you're trying to connect to Wi-Fi with doesn't see your name or the network that you have created, then it's probably too old of a device to connect to the 5 GHz version. So all you will need to do is just go back here where we are and drop it down to 2.4. That is only in case that your device can't see the 5 GHz one. Otherwise, if you can, the 5 GHz one is just a better one. It's going to be faster and overall just better. And then you have visible to other devices. Now I would advise to keep that on. What it will do is, if you disable this and you basically enable the personal hotspot, it won't be visible in the network list. So if someone wants to connect, they'll need to scroll down through their list and go to add manually, then put in the exact name of the Wi-Fi that basically they want to connect to. So they need to put this in and then also put in the password. So all this does is just makes it visible in the list. It's just easier to connect to it then. And once you have set it all up, tap on save, and you can leave this. And from now you can just simply go into the notifications panel and toggle it on and off at will from here. So that is how you would set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.